Hello students, myself Ayushi Tak. I welcome you on Anvira Online School. Let's start our next exercise 3.2. First, read the question. Count and match one-to-one object. In this question, we found many objects. Some object in right side and some are in left side. Now, you have to count the number of these objects of right side and also like this left side and written down the number in placeholder, and then we have to match the same numbers object in the both of rows. Now, look at the first. What is this? These are books. Now, let's count the number of books. 1 and 2. 2 books. Right? 2. Now, look at the next. Next, pencils. How many pencils? 1, 2, 3. 3 pencils. Right? 3 in placeholder. Now, look at the next. What is this? Bats. How many bats? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bats. Right? 4 in placeholder. Now, look at the next picture. What is this? Lock. How many? 1. Right? 1 in placeholder. Now, look at the left side. What is this? A pen. 1 pen. Right? 1. Now, what is next? Eraser. How many erasers? Let's count. 1 and 2. 2 erasers. Now, write 2 in placeholder. Look at the next. Footballs. How many footballs? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 3 footballs. Now, write number 3 in placeholder. Now, look at the next picture. What is this? Keys. How many keys? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 keys. You have to write 4 in placeholder. Now, match the same numbers from the both side, right and left. First is 2. Now, look at the left side where we find number 2. Now, what we have to do? We have to match the objects from same numbers. First, we found 2 books. Now, look at the left side. Which object is in number 2? We found 2 erasers. Now, match 2 books with 2 erasers. Now, look at the next. Next are 3 pencils. Now, look at the another side. Which object is in number 3? 3 footballs. Now, match 3 pencils with 3 footballs. Now, look at the next. We found 4 bats. Now, look at the another side. Which object is in number 4? 4 keys. Now, we have to match 4 bats with 4 keys. Now, look at the next picture. We find 1 lock. And look at the another side. Which object is in number 1? We find a pen. Now, we have to match lock with pen. Now, here the question is complete. What we done in this question? We done the same number object, match the same number objects. Now, let's go to our next question. We done our question A of exercise 3.2. Now, let's go to our next question, question B. First, read the question. In each row, tick the one which different. In this question, we found some pictures and other are same, but one is different one. You have to take on which is different. Now, let's see the first picture. What do you see in this picture? flowers, right? First picture, flower. Second, tree. Third, flower. Fourth, flower. Now tell me which is different one? Yes, tree is different. We have 4 pictures. 3 are flowers and 1 is tree. That's why tree is different one. So you have to take on tree. Now look at the next picture. What do you see in this? Pens. How many pens? Let's start. Pen. First is pen. Second is also pen. Third, a pen. Fourth, pen. Fifth, pencil. 4 are pen, but fifth is pencil. That's why, which is different? Pencil. Pencil is different. Now, look at the next picture. What do you see in this picture? First, clock. Second, plate. Third, clock. Fourth, clock. Now, tell me, which is different one? Plate. 3 clocks and a plate is different one. So, that's why you have to take on plate. Now, let's go to our next question. What do you see in this question? We find Xmas tree, cap, cap and cap. Now, which is different one? Different is Xmas tree. So, you have to take on Xmas tree. Now, look at the next pictures. Carrom board, carrom board. Third one is also carrom board. Next, a photo frame. Now, tell me which is different? Carrom board, carrom board, carrom board. And fourth, photo frame is different one. So, you have to take on photo frame. Now, look at the next picture. Lion, lion, peacock, lion. Now, which is different one? One picture, it's lion. Second, lion. Third is peacock. And fourth is also lion. So, which is different? Third one, peacock. Peacock is different. So, you have to take on peacock. Here, our exercise is complete. And also, our chapter is completed here. And what do you learn in this chapter? We learn about numbers 1 to 10 and also how to count objects. You have to count the objects for this help, and you also count the money which your parents gives you, and also count the exchange which you bag from shopkeepers. Thank you.